Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add another account on Instagram using only one device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you have more than one account here on Instagram and you want to log in on the other account without repeating the process of typing your username and password, just watch this, okay? So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and then just go ahead and log in your account, and you want to go to your profile by clicking your profile picture at the lower right corner of your screen. And once you've done that, you want to click on your username, and here, as you can see on my device, I have multiple accounts. So to do that, just go ahead and click on add account, and you want to click on login to existing account if you have already on second account, and if you don't have one and you want to create a new one, just go ahead and create new account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.